Options dialog is used to modify various interface settings and repository connection details. To view current repository connection details, click Properties button, and to add new connection, click plus. All these options are stored in various INI files. The stop connection INI file holds connection name for a professional version of our software, and server connection holds connection name for enterprise version of our software. Options INI file holds various interface settings, including global variables. And the actual connection details are stored in connections INI file. As you can see, this allows to easily move settings from one computer to another. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.